White bells hanging gently, dear Pieris, swaying softly in the morning breeze. New leaves blushing red with grace, flowers whisper in silver lace.
Pink petals lay as high, camellia fair, glistening with rain beyond compare. Classic beauty in every fold, spring's queen in velvet gold.
Pink stars bursting bright, flowering crab, red stamens dancing joy they add. Branches full of laughter and light, spreading cheer into the height. Ah, spring flowers, Pieris, camellia, crabapple hours, elegant and lively, side by side, dancing through the breeze with pride. Whispers of spring, forever alive. White bells, pink blooms, rosy stars, different hues, one spring heart, filling the garden with gentle art.